I'm Dr. Tejas Upasni, your orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon at Upasni Super Speciality Hospital. Today I'm going to talk about ACL ligament. Kya hai ACL and what is ACL ligament? So this is a model where I'll show you what is the ACL. This is your thigh bone, which we call as the femur, and this is your leg bone, which is called as the tibia. And inside your knee there are these two ligaments where you can see this is the one which is in the front of the knee and there's one which is behind the knee. So the front knee ligament is called as the ACL, and ACL stands for anterior cruciate ligament, and this is your posterior cruciate ligament, that is one which is behind. There are also another two ligaments which are on the sides of the knee. One is on the outer side, which is this one, which we call as the lateral collateral ligament, and this is on the inner side of your knee, which we call as the medial collateral ligament. What is the main function of the ACL ligament? So what the ACL does is, whenever you are moving around, it keeps both your bones together. So what will happen if your ACL gets injured or if it gets torn? Then what happens is the lower bone, that's the tibia, can move ahead. Now because in this model the ACL is still intact, it can't be moved ahead, but if the ACL had been torn, your tibia would go ahead like this, okay? And then what happens is the patient who has an ACL tear will feel some instability in the knee, in the sense if he is walking normally, agar aap normal chal rahe ho, there is no problem, but if you suddenly take a turn, or if you are running, or if you are jumping, your knee will give way and you will fall. Now when does your ACL tear? Now in our country it's usually because of two-wheeler injuries, because the impact is there on the front of your knee. But usually it is a sports related injury which is very commonly seen in football players, because they tend to injure the knee while playing football, and most of the patients that I see with ACL are the really young ones who are like 18, 20, who are very active playing football, and they trip while playing football, and they typically hear a pop sound from their knee, after which the knee gets very swollen, they are unable to really give weight on the knee and unable to get up without support. So it's very typical that the patient will come with this history that they had a fall, they heard a pop sound, and then there was severe pain in the knee and there was a lot of swelling also in the knee. Now once the patient comes to us saying that they had this kind of an injury, if they are in acute pain, it's very difficult for us to really examine the knee because they are in too much pain, and if we do any further examination it becomes more painful. But then there are certain tests, clinical tests, from which we can make out that your ACL ligament is torn, or otherwise we need to do an MRI to see if your ACL is torn. And what do we do for an ACL tear? Now usually an ACL tear in a young, very active patient needs a surgery, and this surgery is very well done at Upasni Super Speciality Hospital. It's an arthroscopic surgery where we take a tendon graft, that is a semitendinosus tendon which is there on the inside of your knee. We take that, harvest that tendon, make a graft out of it and fix it up in the bones, that's in the lower bone as well as in the upper bone, and it's held in the bone via implants. So that's basically what an ACL is, what an ACL tear will cause, and what causes ACL. So there's nothing to worry about ACL tears, but of course it needs to be attended and it needs to be treated properly. The surgery and the post rehab after ACL is at least of 6 weeks, where you need to do good amount of physical therapy, that's physiotherapy, and every week your physiotherapy exercises keep increasing. For the initial few weeks you may have to use a walking support like a walker or crutches, but gradually you will be weaned off the crutches or the walking support, and you will be gradually allowed to give more weight on your knee depending on how the surgery went and how your bone quality is. Usually by the 3rd week we start giving weight on the knee, and I usually tell my patients that the minimum rehab time is 6 to 8 weeks. After 6 weeks you give full weight, and you can gradually start with closed chain exercises like squats and lunges, and then once your swelling is completely gone, you've got your full range of motion, that you're able to bend your knee completely, you start with your quadriceps strengthening exercises, which may be either with TheraBand or with weights, and your closed chain exercises also. Your quadricep muscle is one big muscle around your thigh and which gives a lot of stability to your knee. It takes time for this muscle. It gets wasted very soon because of the injury, but to again regain its size, it takes some time, and you need to do really good physical therapy to get your muscle back to your usual size. So you might feel that your quadriceps or your thigh has become thin after the surgery, but over a period of time, if you do good proper exercises under a physiotherapist, you will be getting it back to normal, and you won't have any issues at all. Even if you want to join back to the sports, you can get back to your sports also. For really young patients like who are around 15, 16 and they sustain an ACL tear, we do take care of the growth plate so that we don't damage it while doing the surgery. If there is a lot of growth potential remaining, maybe we might even think of postponing the surgery till the growth plate is fused. So it depends on one, the patient, second, what is the demand of the patient, and third, how unstable is your knee. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you find it informative and useful.